Third disease in STI, chlamydiasis. Chlamydiasis. See, you bifurcate. Chlamydiasis. Chlamydiasis. Caused by or causative agent Chlamydia trachomatis. A bacterium name see Chlamydia trachomatis. Sir, third bacterial STI chlamydiasis, causative agent Chlamydia trachomatis. What are the symptoms? Trachoma, eye infection, trachoma, bulge of the eye. See, there may be eye, upper eyelid is there, lower eyelid is there, it will going to be swollen or bulge. It is called what we say trachoma, eye infection. Affects columnar epithelium in urinogenital tract, respiratory tract and conjunctiva. See here, what is columnar? The cells which one is present in the skin, a column like structure, they are called columnar epithelium. Seems to be column, they are called columnar. What do we say? Columnar. Tamil it will say தூண் வடிவ epithelium. Skin contain columnar epithelium. Trachoma, eye infection, affects columnar epithelium, urinogenital tract. What is urinogenital? Common pathway. In that path, urine also comes out, reproductive cell also comes out. That's why it is called urinogenital tract or common tract we may say. Urine come, reproductive organ will come. It is called urinogenital tract. Respiratory, nasal epithelium in the nose and conjunctiva. Conjunctiva is the part in the eye pit. So, it will going to affect columnar epithelium, urinogenital tract, respiratory tract and also conjunctiva. What is the incubation period? Easy one. See, so far 2 we have seen 2 to 3 weeks up to 6 weeks average. What is the third STI? Chlamydiasis. Chlamydiasis caused by Chlamydia trachomatis. Symptoms: trachoma, eye infection, affects columnar epithelium in urinogenital tract, respiratory tract and also in conjunctiva. What is the incubation period? 2 to 3 weeks or up to 6 weeks. Very easy one. Fourth STI in bacteria, lymphogranuloma. Lymphogranuloma, venereum. Disease name see lymphogranuloma venereum, caused by the same Chlamydia trachomatis. So, a bacterium which will going to be cause two sexually transmitted disease, chlamydiasis and lymphogranuloma venereum. So, it is also caused by Chlamydia trachomatis. Chlamydia trachomatis. What are the symptoms? Cutaneous. Now, what is cutaneous? Skin zoological name cutaneous. Skin otherwise called cutaneous or cutaneous. Cutaneous. Mucous genital damage. See here, in our skin also mucus is there. Genitalia, reproductive pulse also is there. That will going to be affect urethritis, urinary passage, respiratory tract, swasapadai and also conjunctiva, eye, same thing. They are also 2 to 3 weeks and up to 6 months here also. So, Chlamydia trachomatis caused by chlamydiasis, Chlamydia trachomatis caused by lymphogranuloma venereum. Incubation period also same, causative agent also same. See, third and fourth bacterial STI causative agent same and incubation period also same. Don't confuse, it is easy one. Dears, we have seen bacterial STI so far 4. Now we have seen that third one, chlamydiasis is caused by chlamydia trachomatis. Lymphogranuloma caused by venerea lymphogranuloma venereum. Causative agent chlamydia trachomatis, incubation period 2 to 3 weeks up to 6 weeks. Shall we move? Viral STI. What are they? How many in number? That also 4 in number. That also, how the bacterial STI, how many in number? We may say 4 in number. The same manner, viral STI also, how many in number? We may say 4 in number. First one, genital herpes. What is herpes? In Tamil we may say herpes. It is the easy one, akki. We will going to be call it as. See, you are affected more heat. The blood vessels will going to be get what we say swollen. You are affected as a swollen, there will going to be happen on bubbles. In the bubble, what is present inside the pus will, white pus will going to be caused. They are called genital herpes. It is caused by virus, not bacteria. Herpes hacki, caused by herpes simplex virus, HSV. We will going to be call it as what we say HSV, herpes simplex virus. Genital herpes caused by herpes simplex virus. What are the symptoms? Sore around what we may say vulva, reproductive tract, reproductive canal. That is called as what we say vulva, reproductive canal. It is called as what we say reproductive canal is called it as what we say vulva or female tract. Vagina in female, urethra in penis in male. Pain, urination, you can't urine very easily, it will get more pain. Bleeding between periods. What is period? A female want to be attained at least monthly 28 or 29 days once. But what will going to be happen? You are affected as genital herpes, that will going to be happen on monthly 3 periods. Monthly, how many periods? 3 periods. They are called bleeding between periods. And also swelling groin. What is groin? Hip region, pelvic region. Groin. How many days? Incubation 2 to 21 days, average 6 weeks. Very important one, 2 to 21 days, average 6 weeks. My dears, viral STI, how many in number? We may say 4 in number. First one, genital herpes. Herpes in Tamil we may say haggi, caused by a virus, herpes simplex virus, HSV. Sore around vulva, female tract, reproductive canal, vagina, urethra in penis. Pain, urination, bleeding between periods, in swelling groin, hip region will going to be enlarged. How many days? Incubation 2 to 21 days, average 6 weeks. See, viral STI, genital herpes we have seen, genital warts, herpes akki, warts we may say in Tamil marukal, black dots will going to be happen. Warts caused by human papilloma virus, HPV. Genital warts, human papilloma virus. Shortly we may say HPV. What are the symptoms? Hard outgrowth, tumor. There may be outgrowth will going to be happen in block. In Tamil we may say macham or block marukal. They call it as what we say tumor. On external genitalia, reproductive part, cervix, female uterus part, perianal region. What is peri? Outer, anal, anus. மலக்கழிவு வெளியேறும் கால்வாய். Perianal region. Anus. Perianal region. Incubation period 1 to 8 months. Genital warts caused by a virus, human papilloma virus, HPV. Hard outgrowth tumor where on external genitalia reproductive part, cervix, perianal region, anus, fecal outgoing area, faces outgoing area, incubation period 1 to 8 months. Third, STI in virus, hepatitis B. Hepatitis B caused by hepatitis B virus. Hepatitis B virus. My dears, symptoms are very important. Bacterial STI 4 we have seen, viral STI we have seen, many symptoms are repeated, very new symptoms are there, but here hepatitis B cause fatigue, mayakam, jaundice, fever, rash, stomach pain or bowel pain, liver cirrhosis, liver damage, leads to liver failure, incubation period 30 to 80 days. How many days? Listen, 30 to 80 days. Third, viral STI, hepatitis B virus. Fatigue, mayakam, jaundice, kamalai, fever, rash, stomach pain, liver cirrhosis, damage in liver or liver failure, damage, cirrhosis, failure, totally not functioned, incubation period 30 to 80 days. Fourth, viral STI, well known one, you are studying from 6th standard onwards. AIDS, it is prevented most probably in world. AIDS, abbreviation, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. What is syndrome? SYNDROME. Many diseases are accumulated. You are affected as a, what we may say, AIDS, you are affected as a fever, diarrhea, jaundice, and also what we stomach pain, diarrhea, and also warts, and also herpes, everything. That's why it is called syndrome. HIV abbreviation, AIDS caused by a virus, HIV, human immunovirus, enlarged lymph node. Every lymph node will going to be enlarged. Muttu mudichi, weakam, fever, many area fever, pre-diarrhea. Diarrhea means what we may say loose motion. You may going to be think, loose motion will going to be happened. That's called pre-diarrhea symptom. Weight reduction. You may going to be say, sir, I am eating morning, lunch, afternoon, break and some other food also. But though my weight is reduction, you are affected as the problem, weight reduction. And also night sweating. You are sleeping in AC, air conditioner or air cooler. Though the sweating is going to be comes out, you are affected as a AIDS, night sweating. What a newly symptoms are here, see. What is enlarged lymph node, fever, prodiarrhea, weight reduction, night sweating. But it is not believable 2 to 3 weeks. More than 10 years, it is the correct. In our book is quoted, there may be a chance 2 to 6 weeks. No, more than 10 years. You can live, you are affected as AIDS at least a 10 year, but the symptoms will going to be accumulate in your body. But yes, we have seen viral STI 4 and we have seen what we say bacterial STI 4 we have seen. Now we will going to be see fungal STI, Punjai, sexually transmitted infection. What is that? Candidiasis. Candidiasis. Candidiasis caused by Candida albicans. Caused by Candida albicans. Fungal STI, candidiasis. What we may say? Candidiasis caused by Candida albicans. What is attacks mouth? Fungus will go to attack on mouth, throat, intestinal tract, vagina in female, vaginal discharge in female, and also incubation period not mentioned, not quoted in our text. Wherever maybe in Google also not mentioned. Please, fungal STI, what is the name? Candidiasis caused by Candida albicans. Attacks mouth, throat, intestinal tract, vagina, vaginal discharge, incubation period not mentioned. Only one only fungal STI. Protozoan STI, single celled animal caused. Protozoan STI, trichomoniasis. 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 Trichomoniasis caused by Trichomona vaginalis. Trichomona vaginalis. Trichomona vaginalis. Symptoms: vaginitis, inflammation of the vagina. Greenish yellow discharge. Sir, earlier symptom we have seen pus discharge. But discharge will, what are the? Greenish yellow discharge. What a peculiar disease. Greenish yellow discharge. Greenish yellow discharge. Greenish yellow discharge. Itching, burning. In male, epididymitis. What is called epididymitis? Sperm storehouse. See, the sperm is there storing the bag. They are called epididymis. Epididymis. It will going to be enlarged. That's called epididymitis. What is called epididymis? Sperm storehouse bag. Prostatitis. Male prostate gland will going to be enlarged. Reproductive area. Incubation period 4 to 28 days. See, many incubation, only one disease is not mentioned, but 2 disease incubation period same, 2 disease causative agent is same. Protozoan STIs, trichomoniasis, Trichomona vaginalis, vaginitis, greenish yellow discharge, itching, burning, epididymitis, prostatitis, 4 to 28 days. Shortly I will say, I will going to be conclude your class. Listen, you want to be not affected, that you change your lifestyle modification. If you do so, my children, you may be the healthy, there may be no chance to be attacked in bacterial disease, viral disease, fungal disease, protozoan disease. Take healthy diet, all vitamin included, all minerals included, all protein included, all carbohydrate included, all fat included, everything. Your food should be healthy diet, balanced diet. That's called. Avoid tobacco usage. Don't consume tobacco. Pugaiyalai podade. Preventive early marriage. In male, at least 27 or 29 years is the marriage time. In female, 25 years. That should be early marriage if you do, if you affected. Monogamy, don't make homosex. That's called monogamy. Mono, ஓரின சேர்க்கை கூடாது. Monogamy. Regular exercise. At least you are now in your home, you do at least regular exercise, walking, jogging, running, swimming, biking, cycling, or summer, or skipping, any other thing. If you do so, you always early, you are always young, you will be very busy. My dears, what is the lifestyle modification? Healthy diet, avoid tobacco usage, preventive early marriage, monogamy, regular exercise. Only one thing I will tell you. What is the preventive method of these STDs? I will tell you only one thing. Preventive methods. What is the preventive methods? Please, only one point. Avoid sex with multiple partner. Multiple partner. Or unknown partner. Please, what an important point. Avoid sex with multiple partner or unknown partner. Second one, suppose if you have doubt, you consult a doctor early. That should be very important. My dears, these two things kindly note it down. Avoid sex with multiple partner or unknown partner. Suppose any doubt, you consult with a doctor very early. My dears, I told you many diseases regarding bacterial disease 4, causative agent, symptoms, incubation period. Viral disease 4, causative agent, symptoms, incubation period. Fungal disease only one, protozoan disease only one, and also lifestyle modification, healthy diet, avoid tobacco usage, prevent early marriage, monogamy, avoid homosex, regular exercise, preventive methods, avoid sex with multiple partner or unknown partner. Is there any doubt? You consult your doctor early. Dears, there may be a chance. If you read the symptoms very clearly, there may be 2 mark or 1 mark or anything may come. It is also 5 mark question also may come, very important. Please read today itself. Kindly our online class you observe very clearly, you read very properly, you watch very properly. All the best. Thank you.